dear friends. We're back with the next installment of Heavyweight Machines, which I assume you'll find quite intimidating as you observe them in action. Just how powerful is it? Well, I'm about to demonstrate that to you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to keep up with even more fascinating machines. A powerful and robust appearance, resembling a large crane machine. Its bucket has a solid rotating mechanism capable of handling astonishing trees and dense forests. When it demolishes, the machine's loud sound reverberates throughout, shattering the tranquility of the forested area. Excavator mulcher, designed as a crane-like machine, possesses a terrifying capability to crush trees in the forest. A sharp, disc-shaped rotating shaft resembling steel teeth can transform healthy green trees into small fragments. The power of its engine enables the rotating shaft to spin, striking and pulverizing vegetation mats. The rotating blade can rotate 270 degrees, facilitating quick and agile tree branches and shrub processing. The Awi RT800 mulcher is a powerful machine manufactured by the Awi company. With its low and compact design, it is engineered to pulverize tree stumps, vegetation mats, and soil effectively. The device showcases impressive strength as evidenced by the smoke it emits during operation, indicating the crushing blade's tremendous frictional force and rotational speed. In the past, splitting large logs required rudimentary tools like hammers and wedges, which needed much effort and time. However, the introduction of Bell's Superlog Splitter has made splitting large diameter logs much faster and easier. With this machine, you only need to position wood and press a button, and the device will automatically push and split the log into multiple pieces. Force of up to 76 tons generated by the hydraulic piston system, this machine can quickly and efficiently split logs. Dresser Prebroyer VHU head furrow is a crusher used to process expired vehicles. Of the machine can crush such complex objects using a gear grinding mechanism. When rotating, the serrated designs are arranged on a shaft mesh with each other, causing everything to roll down and destroy their structure. Experiencing advanced technologies, subscribe to our channel to become part of a community of powerful machines. Here we share cutting-edge devices with extraordinary power. Let's explore the incredible wonders they have to offer together. This machine can quickly transform long pieces of wood into small firewood logs. Cutting long sections of wood, approximately 50 cm in length, and then using a force to split these cut sections into smaller pieces. The device can also create different shapes by using different splitting molds. Landpack is a type of machine used in construction projects to compact soil. Its unique design includes a moving device with triangular-shaped rounded wheels. This design allows the device to effectively roll over the Earth's surface and generate concentrated pressure at the point of contact between the wheels and the ground. Combined with the force of impact, Landpack can compact soil efficiently. The KMC 600 features an extendable boom that reaches up to 15 meters in length, allowing it to access any position within high-rise buildings that are under 20 meters in height. The machine is equipped with various tools such as hydraulic hammers, drills, and grabs to demolish materials, including steel. This machine facilitates quicker demolition of tall buildings and large structures. Sectors in agriculture that are equally strong. The LZR 303 machine is a robust tool in the field that helps create consistent and sturdy ridges. It is equipped with a front-mounted circular blade for soil separation, followed by compression using a rear axis mechanism at a preset height. With the application of the LZR 303 machine, users can quickly and aesthetically create well-defined field ridges, aiding in water drainage control and maintaining soil moisture. The CRIA 48 is a large plow machine designed to meet the needs of field cultivation efficiently. Equipped with a circular disc plow blade, this machine can plow up to 5 meters wide in a single pass. With its high speed and quick maneuverability, the CRIA 48 helps save time and effort when working on large areas, ensuring readiness for the upcoming season in a fast and efficient manner. Sends it into the harvesting compartment. With advanced technology like dust extraction and cleaning, the end product obtained is clean wheat grains with minimal impurities. The Claas Lexion is a powerful machine generating a significant amount of dust during its operation, as it is currently harvesting wheat. With its sharp cutting blade and width of 5.5 meters, it efficiently cuts down the wheat plant and swiftly transfers it into the threshing compartment. Advanced technologies such as the dust extraction and cleaning system ensure the final product is clean wheat grains with minimal impurities. Snowfall, roads become covered in white snow, making it difficult for transportation. Clear the Snow machine, equipped with rotating blades at the front, is commonly used in such situations to clear the snow. These machines are designed to chop the snow into smaller pieces and then suction and push them aside. It also has special tires that provide better traction and more effortless movement on snowy roads. Do you see these machines in your country during winter? Is a vehicle that can easily overcome obstacles such as tall grass, rocks, and marshy lowlands, and even traverse through deep water. It is made from premium materials and features oversized wheels that can self-inflate, enhancing traction and improving off-road capabilities. The vehicle also has a robust frame and a waterproof cabin space to ensure passenger safety while navigating challenging environments. Machine? It's pretty fascinating indeed. There is a monstrous logging machine that quickly falls into large trees. It uses a large, sturdy clamp to grip the tree's base tightly and starts cutting with a tremendously powerful rotating blade. After severing the tree, a system of rollers transports the tree vertically along a track, removing branches and dividing it into evenly sized sections. This process happens very quickly, taking only about a minute to complete the processing of the tree. Woodsman 440 is a powerful device used for quickly converting wood into chips. Integrated cutting blades and a high-speed rotating motor generate strong cutting force to transform logs into small pieces. Additionally, it features a supporting crane for easy feeding of materials into the chipper. This combination enables a fast and efficient wood processing process. The John Deere 670 GP grader is designed to maintain and beautify elevated roads. It features a large blade that can be raised and lowered, adjusted to suit the leveling process. This machine has a powerful turbocharged diesel engine supported by multiple wheels to enhance its performance and operational capabilities. A unique feature of this grader is its front wheel articulation, which allows it to tilt on both sides. This enables smooth and uniform road grading, providing a soft and even surface. Baggershare is a helpful attachment that can be mounted on the boom of a crawler excavator, allowing for precise and efficient tree cutting and removal. It swiftly cuts through the tree trunk and gathers the cut pieces at a designated location, making the process quick and convenient. Compactors are industrial machines used for compacting and leveling soil during construction. The device's wheels resemble a sheep's hoof, with multiple hoof-like contact points around the surface resembling small cleats. When the device moves, the wheels generate high pressure and impact on the underlying soil, compressing it and strengthening the ground structure. The Komatsu PC 5500 is one of the giant excavators in the world, designed for mining and extracting hard materials such as granite, coal, and iron ore. The machine has an operating weight weight of about 530 tons and is equipped with a Komatsu diesel engine with up to 2,000 horsepower. Depending on the customer's requirements, it can dig from 22 to 30 meters deep. The Komatsu PC 5500 can be equipped with various bucket sizes ranging from approximately 20 to 45 cubic meters. Caterpillar 990 wheel loader is a type of track-type loader produced by Caterpillar. It has a net weight of about 69 tons, a maximum operating height of 5.78 meters, a total length of about 12.7 meters, and a width of 4.6 meters. The machine's lift system is equipped with hydraulic cylinders and a C32 Acert diesel engine with a power output of up to 962 horsepower, allowing it to lift to 20 tons. Additionally, the machine is equipped with large tracks with a diameter of 2.3 meters, enabling easy movement on any terrain. Hitachi X 1802 is one of the largest and most potent excavators of Hitachi construction machinery. It is designed to work efficiently on mining sites and extract sand, granite, and clay. Hitachi X 1802 is one of the giant excavators today, with a maximum working weight of up to 380 tons. It has a diesel engine with a power output of up to 1,120 horsepower and an intelligent control system allowing flexible and fuel-efficient operations. Let's look at the wood chipper tirelessly shredding pieces of wood. The machine includes a funnel for materials, a crusher, and a conveyor belt. The crusher uses double-disc coupling technology with a power output of 50 kW and rotates at 120 revolutions a minute, allowing the machine to shred tons of wood daily. Mastonbrook 2520V plow is a land plow of Mastonbrook Limited, UK. It is designed to dig soil and install underground pipelines. With a large and powerful diesel engine, the machine can dig up to 1.8 m deep and 2.2 m wide and achieve a speed of up to 60 m/hour. The device is equipped with electronic balancing to increase the evenness of the pipe's width. The Sumitomo SH500 is an excavator produced by Sumitomo Construction Machinery Co. in Japan. It has a Cummins QSX-15 diesel engine with a maximum power of 328 kW1, 800 revolutions per minute. The machine is equipped with advanced hydraulic systems that increase strength and optimize productivity during operation, so it has an overall weight of about 50 tons and can lift to 5.3 meters. As you can see, it is working under harsh environmental conditions. The BMM 400 brickmaking machine is popularly used for its excellent features. The soil will be placed on the container, then the device will knead it and push it into a square mold designed with 2 rows attached to wheels, and then placed directly on the ground through the force of inertia. This machine can produce 60,000 bricks per day. Do you see how efficient this machine Before your eyes is the SVL 130 vacuum lifter using the vacuum suction method from Superior Manufacturing. Each suction cup is a broad and flat disc that can suck and hold materials through the air pressure created by a vacuum pump. According to information on the Superior website, the vacuum lifter SVL 130 can lift to a maximum of 5,900 kilograms. The CAT 793F is one of the large mining haul truck models produced by Caterpillar Inc. This truck is enormous, with a length of approximately 15.7 meters, a width of about 9.7 meters, and a height of about 7.5 meters. It has an empty weight of about 160 tons and a maximum payload of about 327 tons. The truck's braking system consists of exhaust brakes and drums controlled by an electronic system, ensuring safe and efficient braking. TR 626 trommel is specially designed for wet organic fertilizer screening with various sizes and shapes to meet users' needs. The machine measures 7.9 m in length and 2.4 m in width, is equipped with a 120 GP Cummins diesel engine, and can generate a maximum torque of 542 nanometers. The size of the sieve holes can be adjusted to suit the user's needs, and different classifications will be separated from the materials and screened through the sieve holes. Kentech XD620S trommel is a screening machine used in recycling and waste processing operations. Design, the device can screen up to 45 tons hour and is equipped with a water spray system and a waste filter to remove dust. The screened materials will be collected at different positions in the compartments. Kentech XD620S trommel has become an essential tool to improve efficiency and save time for the production process of recycling and waste processing businesses. Hercules HT182M mobile trommel is a mobile screening device to classify and separate construction materials such as soil, sand, and gravel. With the ability to screen up to 150 tons hour and a diverse screening system, Hercules HT182M can remove unwanted materials and keep the screening process clean with its waste filter and water spray system. When operating, Hercules HT182M will classify and separate different materials and collect them at different positions on the oscillation for further processing. Which of the above devices impressed you the most? Please comment so we can lead you to the experience of that machine. Don't forget. Like and subscribe so you don't miss the next episodes on this topic.